Want to build a custom AI chatbot in under 30 seconds without writing a single line of code? It's easier than finding a straight answer from the CIA.
Wait, is this one of those government experiments? Because if it involves lizard people, I'm out.
Not quite.
Hecklefish. First,
You head over to Chatbase.
you just feed it your data Notion files, a website, or those classified documents you keep under your tank.
Hey, those are my investigative journals about the hollow moon.
Right. Anyway, you click train. Then you pick a persona. You can choose a preset like a sales agent, a life coach, or even create your own custom personality.
Can I make it a Galactic Federation liaison that only speaks in riddles and demands fish flakes?
You can certainly try. You even get to pick your favorite color and give it a name. Once it's ready, you can embed it on your website.
Or connect it to Slack and WhatsApp.
So I can have an AI version of me doing the research while I'm at the track? Sign me up! Is it free?
You can sign up and try it for free right now. Check the link in the description. And lizard people!
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, or I'll turn you into a chatbot.